Swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so be God.
Yes.
Lord, and state your name.
Michael Burke.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of operating while intoxicated first offense.
That's correct.
All right. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail to a $500 fine plus court costs. The court could also order community service and any rehabilitative programs the court deems necessary. Could order your vehicle immobilized. Could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency government services. You understand all of that, sir?
I do.
No wish to plead guilty?
Yes, I do.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
I do.
All right. You signed an advice rights form. Is that correct?
I did.
Any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, I don't have any questions.
All right. Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as other rights on that.
Yes, I do.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of rights.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, I'm not.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, they have not.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
I am.
Of your own free will. And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
I do.
On the date of May 23rd, 2025, at 3113 Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Prior to operating that motor vehicle, did you consume intoxicating liquor?
Yes.
Call what you had and how much?
Yes, it was vodka, 4 of those little shooter containers.
Were you stopped by the police or
It was a welfare check.
you were welfare checked in a parking lot at that address? Okay. And after the police checked on you, were you arrested?
I was brought to the hospital, but not arrested. I don't know if I was under arrest at the point I was in the hospital, but I was
You
eventually.
probably were. Fair enough. Ultimately, you were taken by the police and or ambulance to the hospital. Is that
Yes,
correct?
yeah.
All right. And they gave you a blood draw?
They did.
And the blood draw was a 0.139. Is that correct?
Yep, that's correct.
All right. You have any reason to dispute those blood test results?
No, I don't.
All right. Sir, I do have to advise you between the time I accept your plea and the time of any sentencing that if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to any sentence evaluation. The court would not be bound by that. You understand that?
Yes.
And you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right. And has the court complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
People are satisfied.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed.